Hi guys, today I will show you how to install, how to arrange or schedule a class on a Zoom app. Due to this lockdown, you all know that many of the schools, colleges, even offices, they have lectures or classes and conferences taking place on a Zoom platform. But you should be able to know, if you are new to this, you should if you are having problems, you don't know anything, it is very simple. You should know how to handle it. So you need a laptop or a mobile, and you need a good internet connection. And then if you are having a laptop, then please install a Zoom application on your system. After it is applied, it is there in the system. Then if you want to schedule a class, go to that, double click on it. So it will now open. Here you have to run it. Okay, put run. So now it has opened. Okay, so if you want to schedule a lecture, go to home, go to this icon which is the schedule, put on a topic. So I'm just putting up a topic. Then you can set up the time here. Okay, so today's the date is September 10. You can set up a time. So I would like to put it at suppose 2 p.m. So I made it 2 p.m. It is a duration of 1 hour. You can increase it also. Meeting ID, put it generate automatically. Password also. Waiting room, if you want people to wait and you want to allow them to वहाँ पे waiting room, you can apply, but I want them to join automatically, so there will be less disturbance in the class. I don't have to admit them individually. So I'll put up this icon. Host video will be on. Then in other options, available to join the students before the host, so that they can join beforehand, before the meeting. Okay, and I have also muted them so they can't disturb me. Okay, then I will save it. So now, as you can, so now I have scheduled the lecture. Now at suppose 2 p.m. I have scheduled. So how to start the class? So at that time I will go to, just go to my now at 2 p.m. suppose when you want to start the lecture, you can go here. It is showing today's upcoming meeting, so you can click on this. Then this is my meeting, so you can click on this. Then you can start the meeting. Okay, and in the meeting, suppose you want to, so this is how the meeting is starting.
This meeting is being recorded.
So if I want to present what should I do if I want to present a PPT to the audience? So I will go to share screen. Then here you can select any icon. Suppose I want to. So suppose so I go to share screen. Then suppose this is the PPT I want to share, so I've clicked on this, and then this is, now it is sharing. So the audience can now see my PPT and also my video. So this is how, and also there's a automatic recording is taking place. So after the session, you can have the recordings of the session. So one more thing I wanted to tell you. So one more thing before the lecture, suppose you want to invite or invite someone, so how to do it? So you can do is you can do a copy invitation. Okay, you can copy the invitation, then on the Google, on suppose you want to send it on WhatsApp, then go to Google Chrome, open WhatsApp web, okay. So if you open a WhatsApp web, so is you can see a QR code. Okay, so now you have to go to WhatsApp. I cannot show it right now because I am recording from my phone. So what you can do is take your phone, open the WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp only, you have on the top uppermost corner and the right side, you have several icons. If you press that settings, you will have a WhatsApp web. Okay, so you open that, then you can scan this QR code with that, then your phone will be, your WhatsApp will open on this computer. Okay, so then you can copy that link and you can post it to your recipients through WhatsApp. So that is how you can do it. Else you can also copy the invitation, then directly you can open up a mail. Okay, so you can open up the mail, then you can go to compose. So compose mein I put on the recipient's name, then I can just I can copy paste the link, then I can send. So by this the recipients will get the link in the mail, and just by clicking on that they can join the lecture. So guys, thank you very much. I just wanted to share because I think it is of very much importance nowadays, and we should all know how to schedule a lecture on a internet platform. Thank you.